Hi everyone, welcome to ED 146 Child Guidance. Just wanted to kind of go over a couple things with you as you're getting started. I hope by now that you've read everything in the Getting Started module at the very top. You should have gone through all of this information because all of it's very important. Here, announcements, you need to be checking these. At least once or twice a week. This is where I'll update information and send you reminders, etc. As you see, your first assignments are actually due this Thursday, which is introduction quiz, and then also you posting to the introducing yourself form. So those will be your first assignments due this Thursday. Your next assignments will be due next Thursday, October 1st. I have not yet posted those assignments. Those will be available in the next couple of days, if not before. Just as a reminder, you do have a textbook for this class. I'm just going to show you this is what your textbook looks like. The front cover, Positive Child Guidance. The textbook is required for this class. And again, I will be posting weeks and your assignments and your projects in the next few days. I'll probably post like 1 or 2 weeks at a time. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. Have a good day. Thanks.